Good evening, everyone. Welcome to SJ Academy. As we have yesterday solved few problems, as well as I have given you explanation regarding Roman numerals. We have solved few problems, right? And today we are going to start with again some problems, or you can say even exercise also. Okay. So I will explain you question. I will explain you option. You have to send me answers either through audio or through chat box. Okay. So we'll start with first question now. How will you write the number 3,303 using international numerals? Okay. See, 3 lakh and 3. Okay. And your options are okay. See, they have asked us question. How will you write the number
Ma'am, first.
3,303 using
Ma'am,
international numerals?
ma'am,
And your
third.
options are C,
Ma'am, first.
30303, 30033, 300303, 300033. Yes, and we Aradhya, it's 3,300. 3,300,000, not 30 lakh. Yes, Soham, you are right. Akshita, you have to check. Aradhya, check your option. It is 3 lakh, not 30 lakh. Yes, Pari, right. Arnav, you have to check. Check it properly. It's 3 lakh. See the options properly. Check where commas are given. After which number, before which number. See properly. Arnav. Yes, it's 3 lakh. Yes. So our right option is option number 3. Okay. It's 3,303. Okay. Now identify the wrong pair from the given pairs of Devanagari and international numerals. Some pairs are given to you in question. Okay. Some pairs are given to you in question and you have to find out the wrong pair, not right one. You have to find out the wrong pair. Okay. And options are first option, Okay. See, these are the pair. Wait. You have to wait. Let me explain. Then we will start. I'm going to ask to each and everyone. Okay. See, these are the pair. One is in Devanagari. Devanagari means Marathi. And one is our international numeral. They have asked us which pair is wrong. Okay, they have asked us which pair is wrong. Okay, first option 5, 6, 8, 4 is equal to 5, 6, 8, 4. Second option 3, 4, 6, 1 is equal to 6, 4, 3, 1. थर्ड ऑप्शन 7, 2, 5, 3 बरोबर 7, 2, 5, 3. ओके, and we wait. फोर्थ ऑप्शन 9, 3, 7, 4 बरोबर is equal to 9, 3, 7, 4. Yes, now you can send me messages so that I will look at screen and tell you. Anvi, answer is right. Yes, now you can send me messages. Pari, right option better. Yes, now you can send option Anvi right, Pari right, Shruti right, Arnav right. Anyone more? Arnav right, Soham right. Anyone more left? Yes, more students are there in meeting. Please send answers. Okay, so your option number 2 is the right answer. Okay, next question now. Okay. See, question is like this. Samiksha, right answer. Okay. Question is like this. Three, 3, 6, 3. 6, 0. Okay, we'll solve. You have to wait. Huh? Please wait. We'll solve. First option is 344. Okay. Now, see what is question? 3, 6, 3, 6, 0. This symbol is of division. Again in Devanagari 90 म्हणजे 90 minus 6, 0. It's 60. Okay. Now what we will do first thing, it's only for explanation. Huh? As our options are in English, first we will do conversion in English only. So 3, 6, 3, 6, 0, it will be 3, 6, 3, 6, 0 divided by, wait Arnav, wait only 1 second, 90 minus 60. Okay. So what is 90 minus 60? What will be the answer? 90 minus 60?
30.
Yes. What is 90 minus 60?
30.
Anyone? Yes. It's Anvi, right. It's 36360 divided by 30. Okay. Soham right. Pari right. Okay. Now, you will solve this. You have to solve 36360 upon 30. Let me tell you that 0 will get cancelled with 0. Now, just do division of 3630 divided by 3 and tell me right option. Tell me right option. 3636 divided by 3 and you have to tell me right option. Which will be the right option? Come on. Yes, it's simple. 3636 divided by 3. Answer. Which option will be there? Anyone? Arnav?
Ma'am, one, two.
Sorry.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Soham, Samiksha, Anvi. Who will answer? Yes, Anvi, right? Right?
Ma'am, 1, 2,
Anyone
1, 2.
more? Soham, right? Samiksha, right? Arnav, right? Pari, right? Yes, that is option number 3. Okay. Next. According to Roman numerals. According to Roman numerals. Okay, beta. You have to tell me values. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay. I stands for
1.
I stands
1.
for, yes, and we write 1.
1.
V, Aradhya, right? Shrushti, right? V stands for Pari, right? V stands for Arnav, and we write 5. Very good. Aradhya, right. Arnav, it's 5 beta. So, hum right. X stands for 10. Very good. L stands for Aradhya, right? It's 50. C stands for 100. Very good. D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. Okay. Make this clear first. Again, I will write question now. X, V, plus options are 72. Options are 72, 1, 2, 2. Third is 5, 2, 2. And fourth one is 1022. Let me tell you that this question was asked in 2018. Okay, this question was asked. Okay, solve. You have to solve. Solve.
522.
Okay, XV11 stands for
522.
XV11 stands for
17.
Right, Arnav, right? Anvi, right? Arnav, right? X, remaining student, Shrushti, Soham, remaining student, XV stand, Soham, right? It's 17. Okay. I and X stands for, Pari, it's right, beta. I and X stands for Soham, I and 9.
9.
Minus, this stands for, IV stands for 4. Very good. C stands for 100. Okay. 17 plus 9. 17 plus 9. 17 plus 9. Are my dear, 17 plus 9.
And 26.
26. Right. Minus 4 plus 10.
22.
26 minus 4. 26 minus 4. Are 22 and plus 10. Okay, tell me answer now.
Ma'am, 122.
Tell me answer. Who will tell me answer?
Ma'am, 122.
22 plus 100. That is, someone said me different answer. Huh? 1, 2, 2.
122.
Okay. So which option is right? Arnav, which
Second
option is
one.
right? Anvi, Pari,
Second.
which option is right? Yes.
Second.
Option number 2. That is 1, 2, 2. Aradhya, very good. Soham, very good. Anvi, yes, done. Shall we go for next problem then? Is it okay? Okay. Okay, everyone understand watch. Watch, everyone understands, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Which digit is here? It's not perfect circle actually. Okay. Consider it as a watch. Our question, listen to question properly. On which Roman numeral would the minute hand be at 3:45? Now you must know, watch first what is 3:45. Okay. So this is small hand and this one is big. Is it right 3:45? Is it right 3:45?
Yes.
Is it right one?
Yes.
3:45. Okay, and it is right. Okay. First I will write options and then I will ask you next question. Okay. So your options are 4, then 8, 10, and fourth option is whatever it is. Okay. So they have asked us, on which Roman numeral would the minute hand be? Roman numeral. This is our hand, right? This one is our hand, our. Okay. And this one is minute hand. So they are asking us on which Shrushti. See where you are going wrong. Shrushti, you have to answer. Yes. Yes. So minute hand is on Roman numeral 9. And in Roman, we write 9 in this way. That is option number 4. Okay. Is question clear to everyone? Next. Next question. Now this you will solve. Okay. Solve it. You have to solve. Okay. You're going to solve and you will tell me answer. Now you have to solve. Arnav, you are going wrong somewhere. Arnav, you are going wrong. Anvi, you are going wrong. Please put up values properly and see this is multiplication. This is not addition. See properly. Put up values properly. You're going somewhere wrong here. Arnav, your option is wrong. Anvi, your option is wrong. Anvi, yes. Now you're right. Now you're right. Arnav, this is multiplication. No, wrong. Wrong. Aradhya, wrong. Put up values properly. Put up values properly. Unless Soham, wrong beta. Wrong. Only Anvi has got right answer. Yes, Soham, now you are right. Arnav, wrong. Samiksha, right. Arnav, wrong. Samiksha, right. Shrushti, where are you? Pari? Pari, Shrushti, you have to answer me. Shall I help you? Pari, shall I help you? Arnav, now you are right. Yes. See, Pari, I will help you now. See. What is this number? Pari, you have to answer me now. Huh? Then only you will get me. What is this number in
9.
international numeral?
9.
Yes, 9, right.
9.
9 plus.
Plus.
What is this number?
Ma'am,
Pari,
6.
what is this number now, beta? Yes, 6. Multiplication. What is this number?
2.
Pari,
2.
be fast.
2. 2.
Last number in international numerals. Yes, 2. Now, see, 9 plus. What is 6 twos are? What is 6 twos are?
12.
6 twos are?
12.
Pari, 12, right.
12.
12 plus 9. Pari, 12 plus 9.
19, 20, 21. 21. 21.
Be fast. 21. Okay. How to write 21 in Roman? How you will write 21 in Roman? 10 plus 10 plus 1.
Double X 1.
Pari,
Double X 1.
10 plus 10 plus 1.
Double XI.
Are you
Double
getting or not?
Double XI.
Pari, are you getting or not? Yes. Now then which option is right? Okay. Did you got now? Pari, did you got? Okay. Let us move to next question. Let us move to next question now. Okay. Let us see who can solve this. Huh? M upon L multiplied by D minus C X L. Okay. Your options are C.
Man, your screen is blurred.
Then CL, XC, and LL. Shall I write values for you? Shall I write values for you?
Ma'am, CL.
Okay. Who will solve? Now who can solve? Just put up values. Pari, now we have to put up values. Just put values. Okay, let us see. M is equal to, what will be the value of M? It is 1000. L is equal to
MCC
50.
answer.
See here, M is equal to 1000. L is equal to 50. D will be 500 minus 100. X will be 10 multiplied by 50. Okay. See. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 20s are 100. Right? 20 upon 1 multiplied by 400 divided by 500. Okay. 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 40s are. Sorry. 4s are. So 4 multiplied by 4, it will be
Ma'am.
So it will be 16. How to write 16 then? 1 minute. 16, how you are going to write?
XVI. XVI. 16 XVI.
Yes, anyone got answer?
XVI.
Shall I show you again? See, we will make it more easy. Okay, let us make it more easy. M will be
M will be 1000.
L will be 500. Here only we will cancel. So D minus C, it will be 400. And XL, it is XL.
M you write 500.
X multiplied by L. Right?
Yes.
5 ones are something, somewhere it is going wrong. Oh, here 1 0 is left. 1s are and 2s are. Okay. So it will be 40. 40 you are going to write. Huh. Which one it is? Which option is right then?
Real.
Where it is? Here. Which one you are telling, Anvi? Wait. M is equal to
M is equal to 1000.
1000. Is it right now? Is it right?
Yes.
1000 upon 50, is it right now? Yes. Multiplied by D minus C. D minus C, it will be D minus C. It will be
400. 400.
D minus C. 500 minus 100. How much it will be? Yes, 400.
400.
XL. X it is?
10.
X will be
10.
10. Multiplied by L will be 50. So it will be 500. Okay.
Yes.
Now is it right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Then what will be the answer? What will be the answer of this? Arnav. C multiplied by C. 5 1s are 500. Yes, what will be the answer? Anvi, Arnav, Soham, everyone is giving different answer. Find out what it will be.
4,000. Sorry, 4 lakh. Ma'am, 4 lakh. Ma'am, 4 lakh.
Yes, anyone?
Ma'am, 4 lakh.
No, wrong. Yes, Arnav, you're right. Arnav, you're right. You have to explain me that answer. Arnav, you're right, beta, but you have to explain me that answer. How did you got that answer? You have to explain me. Yes, explain.
Ma'am, 1000 multiplied by 400 is equal to 4 lakh.
Anyone? Okay. So fourth option will be the right option of this solution. Okay.
No, please.
Yes. Okay. So we'll solve them now. Sorry, next question we will solve.